Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm excited to present to you my new sticker collection that I've been working on for a while. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So the new collection is 3 new themes. The first is a romantic theme. I wanted something pink and feminine. Some pretty items such as a hand mirror, a lipstick, a strawberry cake, and of course a rose. Oh, and the word bisous means kisses in French. It's a cute way of saying it. The second theme is picnic. I actually drew these a couple months ago. I wanted something for spring, you know, outdoors and sunshine. And even though we can't go outside at the moment, I decided to still do them. And hopefully they can bring you some happiness. The last theme is something different. I actually didn't have a name for this one at first. For these drawings, I was inspired by a photo I found on Pinterest. It made me think of a warm kitchen, homemade food cooking on a stove, on a beautiful day, the window open, letting in a soft breeze. And with all this in mind, we chose the name Provançale. I first draw all of the illustrations in my journal, then scan them so I can edit them on the laptop, where I fix some mistakes and organize them as a sticker sheet. Once this is all done, Simone fixes them up for the silhouette program so they can be made into stickers. For this, we're using the Silhouette Cameo 3. This is basically how we make our stickers. Let me know what you think about my 3 new themes and if you like them. And what theme would you have chosen for spring? Also, these are all now available in my shop. We've also added a new section with our free printables. All the links will be in the description down below. I hope you liked watching this video and I wish you a great day.